Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then access it in the background. Now click on this little square at the top right corner of it and click on the other app. Now to open split screen view, you need to hold this line at the top of the first one and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!